Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday the 20th of August 2017 and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 18th of August. Gold fell $4 from $1,289 to $1,285, having hit a high of $1,300 and a low of $1,268. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £998, that's up £8. And in euros it closed at €1,092, that's up €2 on the week. Silver fell 13 cents, from $17.11 to $16.98, having hit a high of $17.30 and a low of $16.59. In sterling terms it closed at £13.20, that's up 5 pence for the week. And in euros it closed at 14.44 euros, that's down 0.05 euros. The gold to silver ratio rose slightly from 75.34 to 1 to 75.62 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 21,674, down 76 points on the day and down 184 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 6,216, down 5 points on the day and down 40 points on the week. Brent crude rose 62 cents, from $52.10 to $52.72. And US light crude fell 31 cents, from $48.82 to $48.51. The dollar index stands at 93.43. That's up 0.37 on the week. Gold fell initially last week and then began to gain momentum on Wednesday afternoon, following the US Federal Reserve's July meeting minutes, which had a dovish tone, and rose again quite sharply on Friday. The departure of Steve Bannon and the political uncertainty surrounding it caused gold momentarily to breach the $1,300 level, falling back almost immediately. Traders, or at least those not on holiday, are looking at treasury yields and to some extent are being guided by those. When yields go up, gold goes down and vice versa. We have said for some time that gold should be lower, and it is essentially only the political uncertainty which is keeping it somewhat raised. Bannon gave an interview to the Washington Post this weekend stating, quote, "Republican leaders should support the president's policies on tax, trade and funding a wall on the Mexican border, or risk the wrath of Mr. Trump's supporters. If the Republican Party on Capitol Hill gets behind the president on his plans, and not theirs, it will be all sweetness and light, be one big happy family," unquote. However, he also added that he does not expect sweetness anytime soon. Quote, "No administration in history has been so divided among itself about the direction about where it should go," unquote. So it certainly looks as if political turmoil still lies ahead. General Kelly, Chief of Staff, is clearly removing the mavericks in Trump's White House in order to bring a more stable environment and organised conduct of affairs. To what extent he will succeed, only time will tell. This week, we expect more uncertainty and envisage gold operating range-bound within $20 in either direction of its current level. However, we must not rule out the recent threats by North Korea's Kim Jong-un if the US goes ahead and carries out its missile testing in South Korea, which will serve to underpin gold's value for a little while yet. Silver more or less moved in direct correlation with gold, with little news available either adding or subtracting to its similar fall and rise in price. We suspect it will shadow gold for a while yet until greater certainty is achieved on the political front. We are expecting this week to see up to a 50 cents move in either direction for silver. We are witnessing rising demonstrations within the United States and Europe. There appears to be increased terrorist activity throughout the Western world, though so far, and thankfully, only relatively small incidents have occurred. We have a US president talking tough against North Korea, Venezuela, and has now launched an investigation into China's policies regarding intellectual property and trade, resulting in China voicing, quote, serious concerns, unquote. The White House has not adequately staffed its embassies, and White House controllers are also slim on the ground, all resulting in much uncertainty and limited communication. Perhaps in the end all of this will come right. However, there is no doubt that tensions are raised and uncertainty abounds, all of which is maintaining a relatively high floor under gold and silver prices. We were expecting calm in August. We should have known better. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated regularly, can be found at facebook.com/IlluminatiSilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we're not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice, and merely represent the personal views of its owners.